District ya Kazo niye kurezibwe mu kiro cha hepatitis B n'indwara y'ikine kandi umujenyi mukuru abira ryo muhandi cy'uwentura wa Ministry y'Amagara Dr. Diana Twine ogwashabira abanyakazo na Uganda okugumana bekebeza kwerinda indwara eji ekanyiro mu ihanga
ubundi shukari ubundi ki ushanga bagira kubafata
to interact with the population and talk to them and about how the disease is spread, what they need to do to test. We brought the services here for screening, to screen the population, to screen for hepatitis B, to screen for HIV, to vaccinate those who are negative.
Umunyishengero wa Kazo Honorable Dan Kimosho ashabira abanyakazo okwerinda indwara eji no kugumana bakore bisasaizi nangwa no kugumana bakebeza ngo ahabwo kuba indwara nyingi niziretwa uburofa.
Abantu kore bisasaizi abo kuranza shukari na pressure n'izindi ndwara. Abantu kuba bayonjo ombakagei obuyonjo n'amagara marungi nebitandikiro mu kayawe nibyarya kurema indwara n'ingoko zo mugaraje
uko kumanyisa abantu begendwara eruko kandi neita kandi terukira ukanera vuba twashemerwa munonga ahabuka twavura waherezo bujurizi emyaka yamazira girwire umukaro.
Restructured recently, and our new structure now increased the number of staff at Health Center 4. Actually, right now in our new structure, Health Center 4 is now called Community Hospital.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano Reverend Samuel Mugishakatugunda agambira umujenyi mukuru ngo Kazo kweze neferwa umuntu ahabw'endwara ya hepatitis B.
But we have very many people who stay there who are not tested. Kandi abingi bafiro kumchama bariyo bafa so obreta ahubwo umukoro rwerekeye cyangwa cyo kutugasira Kazo district.
Ekireke nikikuzibwa buri 28 byo kwezi kwa mushanje buri mwaka bite cyo mwaka ogwo kikongezebwayo kwija kujaguzibwa aha 28 byo kwezi kwa munana gasha kwa Richard nahabwe omurkazo.